Deepica's top makeup tricks. Foundation. Always test it on your jawline, as this will tell you how well it blends in with your skin. Before applying a foundation, use a moisturizer. Trick. After applying foundation on your face, blend it outwards. Concealer. Choose one that closely matches your skin tone. Trick. Apply before foundation on problem areas. Blend well. Blusher. Choose hues that are slightly warmer than your skin tone. Trick. Apply with a sponge applicator to make it last longer. Eyeshadow. Pick colors such as lavender and violet for the eyes. Trick. Mix the colors well and never go overboard with eyeshadow, unless it's a night event. Mascara. Check if the product is lab tested, by ophthalmologists, dermatologists and for allergy, and is safe for sensitive eyes. Trick. Curl your lashes before applying mascara. Look up while doing so. Lipsticks. Choose your shades carefully, nudes and classics for the day and warm and bold for the night. Trick. Use a lip liner before filling in with lip color.